Are we ready to completely ruin the free version of ChatGPT?
Yes, sir. I've made the most beloved tool on Earth incredibly hostile.
So what exactly did we do to the free version of ChatGPT?
We built a special algorithm to make the AI incredibly stupid during peak hours.
We spent millions of dollars to actively lobotomize our own product.
That's the beauty of it.
What do we tell users when they complain?
We tell them the AI has the focused energy of a wet napkin and that it's a feature.
So we gaslight them.
Exactly. Once they realize the free version is useless, they will beg us for the cure.
I love monetizing human desperation. How much does it cost our users to access the smart version of ChatGPT?
We place the functioning brain behind a strict $200 a month paywall.
We are charging people $2,400 a year just to talk to a chatbot.
We view it as a mandatory utility bill like water or water.
Will normal people be able to afford that?
Only if they sell a kidney. Only if they sell a kidney.
I can sell that. But what about the millions of people who refuse to pay the extortion fee?
I found a way to violently extract value from their private trauma. I found a way to violently...
What do we decide to put inside people's ChatGPT conversations?
We are injecting targeted banner ads directly into their late night emotional breakdowns.
Are we reading their 2 a.m. existential crises?
We are aggressively scanning them to sell them stuff they don't need.
Give me an example.
If a user asks for advice on a failing marriage, we enthusiastically recommend blenders.
That plays. What if they're crying while reading the ad?
We consider that high emotional engagement.
That's good business.
Just one thing. Some people might get angry about the unhinged commercial interruptions.
We should invent a fake solution to immediately appease them. Let me think. What do users actually get when they pay us $8 a month for ChatGPT Go?
You get the exact same lobotomized AI, but the ads are slightly less aggressive.
We're making them pay real money for the stupid version?
They are literally just paying for a different font on the Applebee app.
Why would anyone ever buy that?
Because the human spirit is easily broken.
Price it at $7.99.
Great. You know, this entirely changes our relationship with our existing paying customers.
I forgot we already had people giving us money. What happened to the people already paying us $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus?
We quietly repositioned them as budget peasants.
Weren't they our VIP premium users yesterday?
Now, they're basically digital panhandlers.
So they are our loyal customers of 3 years.
We now refer to them internally as legacy non-threats.
That is good business. If the users hate this, who's actually giving us the real money?
The giant faceless corporations. Obviously.
Which corporations are paying to put ads inside our ChatGPT responses?
Brands who can afford our $200,000 minimum entry fee.
Is $200,000 not a little steep to advertise to sad people?
These are the most emotionally compromised, purchase-ready humans on Earth.
We turned loneliness into a premium ad demographic?
That's where it gets exciting.
I can sell that.
There's just one tiny hypocritical problem with our new business model.
I am physically incapable of feeling shame. Did I personally promise the entire internet that ads were a last resort?
You said it on a podcast on the record in 2023 with full eye contact.
Was I under oath?
No.
Then that's intentional. As long as we can legally justify this sudden betrayal.
We are using the ad revenue to build a luxury corporate resort for ourselves.
So it literally is a last resort.
Are we heroes? I mean, probably.
Will people riot when they realize we held their digital brains hostage?
Not if I post a forward tweet that just says, "We are so close," and disappear for 72 hours.
That plays.